Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and who doesn't like pizza? With this set from Norjac, you can make your own restaurant-style pizza from home. This is the 12-inch size, so it makes a nice size pizza for myself to have leftovers, or for 2 people. And because it's the 2-pack, you can either make pizza for 4, or I like using the second one as a serving tray, so that I don't have to put the hot pan on my table. The rigid aluminum really is strong, so I am really trying to bend this, and as you can see, it's not getting deformed. I also like that in the oven, even though it was going from cold to hot, it didn't pop like some pans do. And I got a nice crust on my pizza, even though it's gluten-free. And if you eat gluten-free pizza, you know that the crust can get really soggy sometimes. So if you want to make your own pizza at home, grab this set from Norjac. You are going to love it. And that is my point of view.